In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create email template in GoHighLevel. By the end, you'll know exactly how to find the email builder, pick a starting design, customize it to fit your brand, and save it so your team can use it again and again. Start on your GoHighLevel dashboard and head over to the marketing section in the left-hand menu. This is where all of your email tools live. Once you're in marketing, open the emails area to access everything related to broadcasts, automations, and of course, templates. Inside emails, switch to the templates view. This focuses the screen on reusable designs, which keeps your campaigns consistent and saves tons of time. Now, create a new template. Click New, then choose Email Marketing Templates. This opens the gallery of pre-built layouts. These are organized to give you a head start, whether you're sending newsletters, promotions, event invites, or announcements. Scroll through and select the template that best matches your goal and content structure. Look for a layout that fits your typical sections, like a hero image, body text, and a call to action button, so you edit less and launch faster. After you pick a layout, click Choose Template. Give it a moment to load the builder. Larger designs or slower connections may take a few seconds. Once the editor appears, start at the top by renaming the template. A clear name makes it easy to find later. Consider including the purpose and a version number so your team instantly knows when to use it. Next, customize the content to your liking. Replace placeholder text with clear, scannable copy. Update images and logos to reflect your brand, and keep file sizes reasonable for faster loading. Adjust colors, fonts, and spacing to match your style guide. If the builder offers columns or sections, rearrange them to spotlight your key message. Add or edit buttons so they use action-oriented text and link to the correct destination. As you refine the design, keep mobile readers in mind by using concise headlines, larger button sizes, and adequate padding. If personalization fields are available, set them thoughtfully so that your greetings and details feel natural even when a contact is missing a data point. When you're happy with the layout and copy, save your work by clicking Save Template. Wait for the confirmation so you know your changes are locked in. That's it. Your email template is ready to reuse in future campaigns and automations. You navigated to marketing, opened emails, went to templates, created a new one, selected a starter layout, customized it, and saved it. Now you have a repeatable, on-brand foundation for every email you send.